Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you some of the fascinating projects I've been working on as a survey metrology engineer, specifically in the context of nuclear power plants. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes and explain the important role of survey metrology in ensuring precision and accuracy in critical operations like steam generator replacement, geometric control, and precise leveling. So, let's dive right in. One of the crucial tasks I've been involved in is steam generator replacement. These massive components play a vital role in power generation, and it's essential to ensure their precise positioning and alignment. As a survey metrology engineer, I work closely with the maintenance team to conduct precise measurements and alignments during the replacement process. To achieve accurate measurements, we employ various survey metrology techniques. One of them is geometric control, which involves measuring the dimensional parameters of pipes, mechanical pieces, and other critical components. By ensuring their precise alignment and geometry, we contribute to the overall efficiency and safety of the power plant. Another crucial aspect of survey metrology in nuclear power plants is precise leveling. During construction, maintenance, or repairs, it's crucial to ensure that the equipment and structures are perfectly level to maintain their stability and functionality. We utilize advanced leveling instruments and techniques to achieve the highest level of accuracy. Working in a nuclear power plant environment presents unique challenges. Safety is of utmost importance, and we strictly adhere to safety protocols and regulations. Additionally, we must consider factors such as radiation exposure, confined spaces, and working in highly controlled and regulated areas. Our expertise in survey metrology enables us to tackle these challenges effectively. The work we do as survey metrology engineers directly contributes to the overall reliability and safety of nuclear power plants. By ensuring precise measurements, alignments, and leveling, we help optimize operational efficiency, minimize risks, and extend the lifespan of critical equipment. It's a rewarding field that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of measurement principles. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of survey metrology and nuclear power plants. I hope this video has provided you with insights into the importance of our work and the role we play in maintaining the integrity of these facilities. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about this field, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.